Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 12.2 question number 6. A is from the sum of 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y minus 11 subtract 3x minus y minus 11. Let us solve this problem. Question number A. A is, here you see 6a. The question was from the sum of 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y minus 11 subtract 3x minus y minus 11 from the sum, that means this plus this one minus this, right? Let us write that is 3x minus y plus 11. This should be added with this one, that is minus y minus 11. After that you have to subtract this value, subtract. In second bracket you have to write this one. This one is 3x minus y minus 11, right? Now if we add this one, that is 3x minus y plus 11, plus into minus is minus y, plus into minus is minus 11, minus 3x minus 3x minus y minus 11. Now you can write here as plus 11 and minus 11 will cut, right? Therefore you are getting 3x minus y is minus 2y, right? And this one minus plus into minus is minus 3x, minus into minus is plus y, minus into minus is plus 11. Now if we are rearranging the like terms, now you see plus 3x and minus 3x will cut, right? Minus 2y plus y is minus y, that is minus y plus 11, minus y plus 11. This is the answer of question number A, that is minus y plus 11. Now we solve question number B. Question number B, here you see, is find. We will solve question number B. Question number B is question number B, here you see, is from the sum of 4 plus 3x and 5 minus 4x plus 2x square subtract the sum of 3x square minus 5x and minus x square plus 2x plus 5, right? From the sum of, that means you have to add this term with this expression and subtract the sum from of this and this expression, right? Let us, according to the question, you can write here according to the question. According to the question, let us that is, we'll solve question number B. According to the question, according to the question, according to the question, we can write, you have to write in second bracket that is 4 plus 3x, 4 plus 3x plus 5 minus 4x, 5 minus 4x plus 2x square, second bracket close, subtract this one, that is 3x square minus 5x plus minus x square plus 2x plus 2x plus 2x plus 5. They can find that it is 4 plus 3x, 4 plus 3x plus 5 minus 4x plus 2x square minus 3x square that is 3x square minus 5x minus x square minus x square minus x square minus x square plus 2x plus 2x plus 5 plus 5. This is in second bracket, this will be in second bracket, right? Here you see, this is in second bracket. I will find, here you see that the value is, if we change into like terms, that is, here is 2x square, we can write it here as 2x square. 3x minus 4x is minus x, and 4 plus 5 is 9. Second bracket close minus second bracket starts. The 3x square minus x square is 2x square. That is 2x square minus 5x plus 2x is minus 3x and plus 5. Now if you write here, that is 2x square minus x plus 9 plus 9 minus into plus is minus 2x square minus into minus is plus 3x minus into plus is minus 5. You rearrange all the like terms, plus 2x square minus 2x square will cut, and 3x minus x, 3x minus x plus 9 minus 5. Therefore, we are getting 3x minus x. 3x minus x is 2x plus 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. 2x plus 4. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. And also press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.